He says later in verse 23, he who doubts is condemned if he eats. Oh, now if you don't know what's going on biblically here, and you just kind of extrapolate that and look at that one passage, he who doubts is condemned if he eats. Oh my goodness sakes, I had eggs this morning, and I think I had a doubt while I was eating. Is that what he's talking about? Thanks for doing this. But I mean, that's what he says. He who doubts is condemned if he eats. Like, you can't have chicken and have a doubt? Or, I don't know, hamburger, can't go to McDonald's, going through the drive-thru. Hey, give me a hamburger. By the way, I'm not doubting. Is that what it's about? Well, I mean, you need to understand the biblical context here enough to know that what he's talking about eating, he's talking specifically about eating meat, a part of which has been offered to idols.